So, welcome everybody. This is David. So, today's topic will discuss something on microbiology and we'll check on whooping cough. So, guys, if this is the first time you're following my videos, then kindly subscribe to my channel or my videos, like and leave a comment. Don't forget to turn on the notification button so that when you produce another video, you get notified. So, let's jump into it together. So whooping cough, this is a contagious respiratory infection, contagious upper respiratory infection caused by a bacteria called Bordetella pertussis. So Bordetella pertussis, it's the causative agent of whooping cough. It's an infection of the mucosa of upper respiratory tract. So when someone is infected by the bacteria that causes whooping cough, the bacteria releases toxins that causes secretions of the mucosa, which lead to irritation and also spasm of coughing associated with the disease. In this, there is always marked leukocytosis with an absolute lymphocytosis. So the complications associated with the disease can be lung damage, can be a secondary infection leading to bronchopneumonia, and there is also convulsions. On the laboratory findings, usually the diagnosis of whooping cough can be made clinically. Only occasionally is the lab required to investigate this bacteria, that is Bordetella pertussis infection. And the specimen of choice is always the nasopharyngeal secretions collected by aspirations. On the gram staining or on the morphology, the bacteria appears as small, non-motile and capsulated gram-negative coccobacilli, which can appear in singles or in chains and may also show bipolar staining. Then on the culture, the bacterials or the Bordetella species are usually strict aerobes. That means that the specimen for isolations of Bordetella species or Bordetella pertussis must be collected as soon as possible as soon as possible after collection. So we found that the bacteria that causes whooping cough can spread easily from person to person through air. When a person who has whooping cough sneezes or coughs, they can release particles in air together with the bacteria. So people can spread the bacteria from the start of the very first symptoms and at least 2 weeks after the coughing or after the symptoms begins. So taking antibiotics early in the illness may shorten the time in which a person is contagious in the spread of this infection. And also protection against whooping cough can be by prophylactic vaccine or prophylactic vaccination. So that is the short brief on how the prophylaxis of whooping cough, the lab findings and the prevention of whooping cough is concerned. So guys, kindly like the channel if you are pleased, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Let's meet on the next video.